our final year, no. So nipa ba ko no kra so person call retirement. And I said they can pension, no. Nti no brade bi tua ansa na nipa na etini ayi na free, so. Nti na a create a whole lot of inconveniences, and I said barrier. Emma obi anka onu share na bi suane na ni the way konka no ko benya sa sika no aboa no kakra no ko media ye that sexual institution na bi share ni ho enti na say once we ye Ghanaian no ukuta Ghana card information bi bia also no no kwa go through the processes no na what you access loan and I say at the point in time na loan no over around 1,000 to 2,000 but I say you pay them 1,500 to 3,000 depending upon cost and also away and we can apply for more. So normally I say they are more more special institution, but the more teacher trainees, nursing trainees, teacher and nursing college of education in there, we are exempt. So when the moon come for now, but the more technical universities and other special institutions that we can think of, it's me apply. Also, make me access that loan facility.
Okay, nia afe na oko ana ni owo mu dada e na obetimi apply.
There one mu dada there once what you can apply dada. Yeah, what you can apply dada there stop because by bit information in now and then you continue with processes now firm. But obo how third year it's in where you guarantee konya ho say ono sitimi apply now that's why access that loan through the Ghana card and all the info details now to provide me now to me access.
Okay. And na mi bisa say ebia onipa no wawie senior high school afi no opese okoko toa so ono no oye qualified obetimi apply bi na onya odi akuti admission dey kan ho.
We are wawie senior high school we are a potential beneficiary of the scheme. In that until you are given an admission or you are admitted into any of the social institutions, you can apply. So there is condition precedent. So you must fulfill the condition precedent in answer. Say, again, a chance will call social institution. My admission letter, you have to admission or Kenya University, Manyao Legon, Manyao UCC, and I say Manyao UMass, and no, say it proof. Say, when Akwenya say or to our district so and son what you may apply. So there's back with that commission process.
Okay. Me answer me hwehwani share that ye cleared. Whether made to me and I mean to me yes, I know some your potential.
No, you can't until you are given that you are admitted into any process. You can apply. You
okay.
You have that commission precedent. So then a chance of we discuss that at the medical school. The fact that one for admission at resident, one applied to any of the social institution is not guaranteed until you are given that admission. Because admission could go through the more you know schools will say endorse some part because it's an offer. So it's up to you to accept. But we can accept also go to the process of every school let school also officially validate your admission letter and sign our access.
Okay, enti Sikano range saying
4,500 up to 3,000, depending upon cost now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, depending upon cost now.
I see. Rama, na senior fire no ensi ho no mo ansa. Actually, ye besan ba na bibia wo ho no ya ba be bomu enkomo.
Me announcement that our Kenya Odiama our cases.
All right. Inti yene Deputy PR of the Ministry of Education, Ura Ernest Akosa and a Kotwetwe enkomo no inti mo ye so interested about a year student loans. They say no guarantor. First and the wuni guarantor must forget it. To see any more the ube brepa unya bi. I remember pass me Madame Fubi along the way now say of forfeit ne course no into defective o defective babet na fie no untumi nkobium. It is one sad event I see inti students loan na aba no say betimi serve the purpose dia I would want to believe say kebeboayen papa school for ni bia bre omo abre inti students loan no aba ebeboa nke be yi ade so abebrede ya free enkrofo etiri so na NPP fo akansie no a omukọ no man baako bi ka ho General Secretary Owura Musa omo the superior kan di ho Musa superior man no so brilliant and on top of adwuma na opeso obeye no menhyɛ da ntie o mu nyina nwie yɛ deɛ but ɔno na matie no utimu sɛ man ne yɛ kyɛ sɛ shark as far as general secretary position wɔ hɔ no man no so qualified for adwuma no but yɛn Ghana ha yɛn to aba saa o because yɛ to aba saa anka I remember 2016 about when ekokoti was 2012 no enka Abu Shakara na wasn't ko wini because Abu Shakara presented nice policies ne plans senka Ghana ye to aba based on sa niema no a anka na wasenka ye dema openi no but unfortunately ankwa basa because yen Ghana ha ne to ya basa ma me sankwa homa no so biom na me ne Owura Percival Kofi Akpalu LPG kane no ubo ne saa no majo so some ha na some ha minim so mo da so jiso saa dia LPG
yen konkon
some ha na some ha apo makode yira
onyakopon na domara fa
ye de rade ase sana me kano Ghana ase wa wukura good policies no yentie wonto aba ma wo mode aba mo kire senka mo betua adwumayefo ka na wotwe enka yewu nanso ye Ghana ha ye beje mo atum de
oh anopɛ ma mekyia watiefo nyina mema obi ache Liberal Party fo bi omuti bi aso mema omo nkyia sonko minia oman no omo dia enipa na wotie mi no so ye ne dia ena ye yabase oman no mo fa mai na ye manage mam said e be ya o hu beto na wasetena mu akoyi ama wo enti ye de yensem abegu nsanie so enti it's up to wo the pana wo koto aba no ena wo hwesa aba na me koto no mine ne be bibia me to aba mana obetimi aboa matena me boa me mane me nana no enti decision ne de e wo di pana koto aba no obi o no man ne de ne say oh mami sikana me koto aba ma obi se masa me de to aba na ma enti omo sika man ko ansa na ko omo to aba man ko fo no omo de omo to tumi no enti omo to ma omo sika ne mum nya omo bituma bibi de aboa wo ne mum omo
You have just 1 minute remaining.
ya okwaji obi sika na o ton tumi ne mana tani o pelo di tumi ne eti ni mo bebrebe to aba wo man ni nete bia ye party na aka no sabio ye ni bibia ye be ya na amafo ato aba mayu but ye ni
hello oh okay too bad ye hwese yen sabe san aka opanyin no na sa brad nyamia mo nya adwuma ye sa network no mo nya adwuma ye network yo maba bebre sembe nkure ni brad ya so makoma mu ka me be to bombo kese anyways enti ye hwese ye besa de opani ne de na ba na ya to aye nkomobo eso e beto aye nkomobo ne so okay enti yewra Akpalu asan ba opani wadaro ma de be chen mfidie no etito mu kakra enti na uguso a wo kirechire mu
Anchor FM.
Mhm. Mm.
Anchor FM. Anchor FM.
Mm. Mm. Mhm.
Anchor FM.
Mhm.
Anchor FM.
Mm. Mhm.
Anchor FM. Ahínká FM.
Mhm. Mm. I see. Mm.
Ahínká FM.
Mm. Mm. Okay. Enti dia wo keka ye nyina nya sɛ yɛnti bi da o yɛte Ghana ha yɛate ebi a obi kura te deɛ de kura kyɛn ne a waka ne sisi yi ɛyɛ kama nanso so ye benya gidie na yɛde tumi ɛde akwakɔma onipa yi ama na ba no nea ɔkeka yi nyinaa wɔ position no ɔba pɛ na ɔyɛ contrary ɛdeɛ na bɛma wo deɛ na yɛ soronko.
Ahínká FM.
Mm. Na yɛwura akwalu na wɔtwe bi a wobɛtua adwumayɛfoɔ ka deɛ ɛndraini the coffers of ɔman no because ɛna no yɛhwɛ nkontabu a na ɔsoafoɔ hwɛ sikasɛm so ebu na wɔhwɛ sika a awura adwumayɛfoɔ akatua compensation ɛne labor agitations a wesi allowance yɛmfa we mame yɛmfa we nwura ha wɔhwɛ sika akwakɔ wura mu a wobɛnya sika no wɔ hefa na wɔde atua na wɔtwe biara.
Ahínká FM.
I see. Enti we no da ben na yenhwe ni mu se mo be hya ase na mo ne Ghana fo adi ho nkomo yehunu se social media so any other places mo hya ase de but massively no da ben na yenhwe ni mu se mo be bodwa na mo ne Ghana fo adi ho nkomo.
Ahínká FM. Ahínká FM.
Okay. I see. Final question. I mean, ya on a quarter de way so. Ebinom so kyerɛ sɛ as a parties nketwa na Ghana ha no bibiri no anhyɛ da nye serious. My omo ho te sɛ NGO ne other organizations you know. Aden na nka monka mo humbo because so Nigeria there was a time a PDP rather omo tena so for 16 years. Wabra omo tia sɛ was a party nketwa ni nyina omo forming alliance no omo keka omo hubo mu ebenya APC omo nya tumi ada na mo nkeka mo humbo mu na mo nye strong and formidable team and family still power from MPP and DC for you. Na enche crowd do. Okay. Yera ma yena se na weduru ye adwuma mi de wato adwuma so akiri ye besan ba. Etiefo nso da se pa nti ye ne kofar bae de ma Liberal Party Ghana LPG enye gas na de no aduane no me pa che we ye amanyuku LPG. Ye kan say na o ma gi so say ye nkonko a so me ha ne so me ha Percival Kofi Akpalu en ye ne kwotwetwe enkomo no me pa cho wo hwe wo mre no asima no aduenum 9:54 minutes after 8 tie we ema ye ba ye to aso.
Hello, Wofa, Mekot Health College, Auma Miko Yenti, and me your medicine counter assistant, many GE. Ampo, Sawu Pesa, we your medicine counter assistant, dear, and your name Mekot Health College, Anna Obeko, where your medicine counter assistant certificate program. Yeah, you school in Suma 1 year where we MCA. Nanswani Pharmacy Council certificate. Nadia Ma one dance on the say, Pharmacy Council Ghana, and Jiwania Tum, na your mouth free IT training so eka home. Admission Gusua Ekoso, Yalutima Sanka forms. There were 2 campuses. Aguna Swedro, ya were Dakwan so, Kaswan so, ya were Congo Villa, our new market body as a quanoso. Ubenya forms in be our campus, me and Yina. And I say, Mekot pharmacy shops are Hudwa, Ghana Fanaibe Bia. Near 2 campuses in Yina, so our hostel were hot, and 2 ni how cry. Nasa Wope in Rupanso dia, and Yanako Mekot pharmacy, a Hona Ubenya Nupa, Ghana, and Yamononidia. Fre 0592 522 111. Ana 0244 640975. Mekot Health College, yes say, health knowledge is life's wealth.
Ago Odanin important way. Munya so me won sempe bi de mamo. 2A baby diapers na munim eto de bom mano. Say die yasesa ni din abeye next baby diapers. Na wonim yasa hyemu kena ama ekọ nanim jie. Esan cotton dodo ade ramunti no. O the next baby diapers ebo wo ba. Ojo so sign it to home for. Ensanse bia entingu ne to ho. Won sum fan hawo. Oba ne yeso comfortable. Etuko chroma sensuo. Cotton next baby diapers. Fabe boba no. Na no ho beto ni say form. Obenya next baby diapers. Ewo be bia. Opedodo afre 0500285000. Na monsha nensuo. Ema mubu monsanso. Ye wo next sanitary pad. Ede mamo. Next baby diapers. Ema mo fra hot so mo. Hey. FDA. Afitwa sa edwede nkrato imo. Agia to mu say eje.
Amanfo mi chiechia na mi busa se wo per fridge deep freezers ana ayonwa ehe na benya bie ODI Electronics mo oyiwa na momu no so bi se per microwave or per blenders or per gas cooker ehe ana no so wonkro ODI Electronics edem obi hia kettle TV ana se rice cooker misro ehe ni wonko ODI Electronics edem yopo afei so obi per washing machine ana bread toaster any mobile phone ne ho akade nso a ehe ni obi bie ODI Electronics oyiwa asempetia se wo panyoma ebubo so bie nyina to ane bo da form nemu akwanya na twene kakakra na fa wa de a ye delivery e de ko ba bia eye ODI Electronics ebusu say tam enyoma papa bia wo pe say ye TV rice cooker washing machine bread toaster deep freezers freezer ana say iron fridge microwave ana say bibiti say kettle and a gas cooker ni nyina ODI Electronics ememu anya bi at a very affordable rate. Umo kakra. Emfa oni baby awo. Do you hear me say? Ube friend was 0550 900 600 0550 900 600 ODI Electronics. Baby awo bia. Utua ka wiepe. Ye delivery at the mouth. Open so a ubetima be pick your product. Ewa hinkan 93.3 FM heya. ODI Electronics. Ye boy.
Ebusuafue media sempanamo odokita tro edrama upe edro ato ene enha ho odan pharmacy aba ede nro bebre aba enunti edro bia wupe bia wokwa wonom bema bi wo yare nso na wokwa mo nchechreche oyade mu so a ebema wadura esefata na wo yade no hworo afru ni pediem yaba ne test ahodro nso a wonom eye blood glucose test, uric acid test, cholesterol test, hemoglobin test, typhoid test, malaria test, any test via wo pesa wo ye. And any pabani adoso. And unti wo to edra top free BI papa. Odan pharmacy council for AGN atum say yenton enru papa enfama. Afes open the door so pomu swetua. Oba odan pharmacy a. Ubenya enro bia wo pe bia ato. Tie mame nkankyere we. Obeto edron so a. Ye beche wade free. Ejuma ya fonso animu tepa. Enunti Fawani Echremu ewo Achim Oda Nanes Palace opposite Duke's filling station Bansrone Suruha and Albehu Oda Pharmacy Freyen 0552 092 150.
Hey! Agwazi jade ujafo ena ne car engine ewuo ya esi wodro so fitting shop wonu ah bra
enyo ne kamfu si horse engine oil man no ogia ene ne kyerɛ
onu
piesie bra me na masam no akrabato yakasa se si horse engine oil no ene wo special additive ehuru engine mu e ma ne kyɛ
ne dwun ho won tia
na via den akra ene me ne e ka ba fie na me fa
the whole world open quality engine oil see horse ene wo so say private cars taxis commercial ene
so me frimu fie e free na akro see horse engine oil nko na begu me car engine mu
ene free see horse for 0244 577 559 and 0240 800 007 see horse products
enwa
Adwumayfo me mamo ayiko
ya
na former way
master me wa ha
na nanu cement me kotoma mo se mo fa nya adwuma no sai na former uhu cement no
oh master wunim ade papa
that's right
Unisam cement okofa ba ye no se wo total so se wo ba price no se wo twa block so se wo to block so ama ye adwuma ye mbre
Unisam cement that's ramati so we mason we labourer we foreman na so pesa wadwuma ye fa ya kono na gina painting dia that is the product Unisam cement your bottom and a paper mu die
na so bi pe cement papa say ya ehemfa no ben bi ato
so we pe Unisam cement bi ato e wa chim dan ni patam ha we be ko some cheese enterprise your amantra ya ni Duke's filling station and di ehwani mu fly 0243 583 190 and 0540 659 865 so we amazing and now foreman na udi enipa beto cement babru 50 bags so a ye chewa de free some chi enterprise and di aba achim dan amantra ye ni Duke's filling station edi ehwani mu
ye your maima yet Ghana et ye pesi yet Ghana some ye pamanyo some and some ACCA and some etwagu and some ekwo twi ko breman ne e fa ye ho amanyo some ekoso mechire say ye pesi yet the latest news na ye nso ye de ya no tum ye ka bie amanfoi anunti na henkan 93.3 FM the best in the east ya hihye dwumadi a ye friend the boiling issue and some who say pra the boiling issues e wa henkan 93.3 FM the best in the east ya de bramo ye woda bia anwumre no nwotwe kan 8 pm ya hyase kosi anaju nondu entity e bia the boiling issues obobo fori amanfo betena dwom na ensema ehuru se pra no ya kan ani bre so ye ka manwesem ensema esisie ye fa ye mpotam ho ye fa nkrofo ho ne ye ben ye be kan nyina ye ka na so aka bi the boiling issue ahenkan 93.3 FM the best in the east
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM
me pacho ye da se watwen am yakoto nkra abaye toa so dwumadi na fe no adwen ye ne a ahanomo eye ahinkan dwumadi no so edin de mache me ofre me obuoba Ofori Amanfo, the Commander General, and Suruja Bakwa Yaka Kotoku Meya. Yeda so etia kunya kesi mu a ye di adwen kese ho enkomo. Me pacho bebre ma menkamfo Unisem Cement Ghana emfa emao. Unisem Cement Ghana. In fact, Unisem Cement Ghana ba ye oma beboa pa. Se obi a si dan a etimi gina utumu sankrofo ekukuru dan akese de si ho. Aseda ne nyina ye Unisem Cement Ghana wo mo ada Roma. Achim odan ena Samchi Enterprise enso ebutu akofa bi ede aba. Samchi Enterprise bi hunu yen ewo achim odan Amantra Wachi Junction. Abansoro kama ya bisi ni foforo ho no na obi hunu yen eni nti ma onan mo toko ho na wonso nsa enka cement no ebi. Unisem Cement Ghana omo cement no ebi ana pese obe agent ya ba bia wo bia no eno ana so be fresh 0243 583190 0243 583190 uye mesin ni onso so oba beto eye cement no aduonum anane eburu saa ye wachede kama ye de ebe mawo ano herbal bitters ne capsules no nso eboa mo akoko musisi ya mo ya sexual weakness ana wakono de ma wo yere wukunu ateko namu nyare wa ahodo bi wanumu atuntumi ne di wakoma wenya ha wo ho okwa afikyira obi abete wonka na be mo adwapade ne na aka komu a onso mekamfo ano herbal bitters ne capsules no ena ede amount EK Asimim Drugstore Odan Old Town obehunu yen e wo Zango ho sanso na ukoba bia ye ton abibiduro a onsa betumi aka bi ano herbal bitters no e abibiduro pika na wonsa nka bi ne beboa opa 0541210227 0541210227 eno ne number ofra onsa beka yen na woni yen edi enkomo nyumeku ya da Roma sanso ne nyame yadoma wo chena boiling issues ebeba boiling issues no nwotwe kopim no ndu eya na watie bi ede amayen wo ye company o pe ekuo bi anase dwuma bi ama o mabo wade ton ho dawuru ede amawo amekamfo ahenka na fem na de amawo sanse ye bomu ha no mo a ekwa akirichiri pa ya no afra marketing manager no e 0244 290093 0244 290093 ofra ye no bebo nkomo yen charges no eda fem se team enti ya na woni wo mo edi enkomo enyimaku ya da Roma eno ma so ye mu ama ye de dwumadi de bremo adwo da kopim efiada baby ya duru no ye be di Brem Central Municipal Assembly nkomo kakra ba before no fatos mami na imenwehye a special person in my life a glorious birthday. Enyum na ye kradwa Fatum.
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo amamo ate edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM.
So happy birthday going out to you. Spendy love from myself, your mom, your grandmom, your grandfather, in fact, the entire family. We wish you the best of life. Live to be 93.3 and beyond. Ade ehwe ya na asede me se faade ne to so na obi celebrate ne ba na o ya ho yi eni kura hwe hemfa enye and to the fato so na wo die jame ho mia minim ni ameye na wo die ho yi afri so eni hwe hemfa ai and it is Spendy is live on Eyahinkan YouTube and Facebook. We are celebrating her today. She is 7 years old today. Enough from cry. Ate, what I said that from? Enough from. And the end of that, so no one celebrating the beam for mommy. Why? Moon celebrity Spendy mommy. Spendy is 7 years today. Na Papa Kofi Aburam episode ya allegation wa ha Charlie fire burn you fire burn for this allegation what okay enti mayenko ne yanko Fabrim Central nkomo no mfa emamo enra any 3 days ana meeting ekọ so ho no mo ema ye maame enso kasa wase kama empenifo mpomoko de
mpomoko menua
na unya ntena se nwie na wo ya allegation
allegation say
uhura dem ye mu akonya so wotena akonya no so wie na won tena se na ya allegation
okay me I will talk much me nkasa
o shede ni hwe kraka
sa
opani abomoko de
nyame adom ne mompa bo some ho ye
nyame adom na den order aba assembly ho ene no ana se mu nyina mo African print mo hye nso mo hye long hands ana
so far we are Africans and Ghanaians
order aba assembly ho ene
anya order
sa
wo order
oh I see
hey me obo
mi hu ache o
ba enda ka mi bisa senti hu mi krampo hu bisa hwe fa na
sa mo call strike o said
close up your strike no oh say no there na ya badada
sa
badada me ho ye
oh nyame adom na won so
boko ya san ba bi
information minister apu moko there
nyame adom ne mo mpa bo
e de radiase empire ne de egu so bo pa
ne de ai bet ma ja mpa bo
e be fa se kopim se me maame be wie na adwuma ne de assembly ni mi nya mpae bo ma
na so
me maame da so ye MC ne de bia me bo mpae de mamo
sa na
eduru ba bia na masan so atwi mu kakra
sa na
sa no de you see me I sometimes agree because be bia na wo ya de a unim say bia what you are doing bia na achia so somebody has to say no do it this way so sometimes it's acceptable
okay me ba so ba mamenko sure mamenko information so mransa information ena no na ye hwe Maslock omo dan omo office omo sie ewo ye ha no eduru henfa is it Maslock ana GE
BAC BAC
no I think a GE Ghana Enterprise Agency omo dan no eduru say omo wie
enche
yeah was net quite so I'm sure it's almost complete akakra
na omo
ena
mineral commission for there no and also so sha omo boso
na market no so da no me kofa ho enkwantanu mu de no
and also ubu a kwa say omo ye painting omo start painting ana pavement blocks no so akakra no ma wi I'm sure by maybe July August no there no ma Hanover amaye.
Oh, I see.
And no e cost pa
enti mo ba madaro mana project ne so e ko no mabobo
and that is exactly what we are going to do.
Yeah, be transfer me say no enti na me say
we you can say am tie for ehun say assembly there are projects ongoing, some are completed. No mu hu say we nya say yet ho say just like that, but we are doing work. Yeah, bojuma. Nti anopa dia ba mama start kakra na info mremu. Ayi anopa dia ya bechia atiefo nyina na ya chia ya mpemfo ya maame MP ni coordinating director nyina ana aboabo man nyina yeso ya chia obia wa ha. Now there's one issue be not right numre esi wo ha, but announcement no let me repeat again. Every zonal council, say our 4 zonal councils in our municipality, aboabo ye zonal council by itself. Nti eba na sa no zonal council ya mo some tax bi say omo perform nti omo ankasa afa what you call revenue collectors. Na omo ye what you call night collection and weekend collection. Aboabo area ha. Now quite say yesterday people didn't understand why there should be night collection. Let me explain. Meramu chile say wo ye business anajo daytime I just say utua to.
Okay.
At the same time so wo ye business anwumre anajo a I just say wo tua to. Nti misramo a mo ye business wo aboabo area ha nyina no. Say revenue collector ne ba you have yes ono all baba giskano on her own authority. Yena amana sa to me no. The zonal council amana sa power no. Na I am rase anaju business bia wo ye bia no utua something small, we call it daily night collection. Nti ano no say revenue collector ne ba na let me throw a caution here. Say revenue quarter ma na won no eyi nsema na say we mistake na wa sort na mra ne say yebetimi abechew nti say wo ya aduane anaso wo ton ade anajo na revenue collector ne ba say e che say otua 1 cedi na 2 cedi ba twa so wo nisika na ache say it's about how you talk communicate with the person and I say kwan obefa so ni nipa be kasa na bia obekwa asan aba no fine but said the obeka say me de mintua kra no and there is totally it's not acceptable nti misre aboabo ha efi aboabo ha ko eyi SDA area ho nyina besi ha no ye wo revenue collector bia wo ya adwuma anajo ne weekend yesremo wo ba muntua ma no because enye say wono ne pe ana wo de ba be yesa adwuma no na aboabo zonal council omo they have that mandate say so NGGs can mankasa manage also put up also carry out something within the zonal council
zonal bylaws
and even our bylaw say yeah you see me say revenue collection no enye daytime kwa 24 hours a day nti e ba no say anajo wow me ma digwa daytime matua me de also who did that at night.
Oh, you say you.
Yeah, I don't understand this.
And this year, you know, so say okay, daytime will be on ton.
Will be on ton.
You know, the call night. Yeah, better than yes, you see street light.
Good, Minya. I'm happy you have brought this point. And yes, Mama Mudiga na during yina. You have to pay. But
we did yeah.
But the issue is there's one thing that is going on. Well, say nipa neba na wo issue it's about how you communicate.
Kasa.
Ba ko bi wo Old Town. Me call say no issue be by sa revenue quarter reporter. Me call me ne kasa no. And I don't know. From that very day nipa neba ya wono ara first person.
Say mo amonso mo ba na ya na mumu bebre no akoko chen ekuro yi. So that's here. Sika yie no. Say dey bia me ka say sika yie de edin.
Eno de me te wa
say okwa asori dem kra no a ya hyeda de nyame asem atata akire no. Wudi sika ne kokra stra na wodwen ho.
Eno de ya no kra.
Na we yi a bebre no anso san perception bi say omu nhunu ne amode ye. Mo de ye adwuma but perception say omu nhunu. Endi wo a wo beje no kokochen ekuro yi a also
agree
ombemo ahia fu wa ne mapa se che wa nso de a
I agree with you there.
Enti won crofo no mo nkasa omo so ba omunya botre
of course you know mo akasa dada say ukoni ukọ na nipa no ne wo the person is trying to be difficult that I just say wo find a strategy bia woni nipa bit ma kasa boko
sikaje de na de wo be de nipa no anu age wa
even though the person will provoke you but I just say wo mbomo a wo ba be gisika no you also calm down but then also yes stress ono so ba be gisika no so o kasa ebia na isi yenya human beings the more you provoke the person ebia na want to control to certain limit and also I just also calm down now also explain things to the person obi wa baka say bia mintua na okra no you see there are a lot of but anything that I say this what do you call it program here we appeal to omo amudigwa awabo ne in virus afi ha ko kwantanum nyina say night collection ni weekend collection no
eno so aba
illegal anye illegal.
Yes, right. Yeah, that's it. After yanko your meeting any project ya mo pese mo de nanti mu kakra no information
obo emse nsema akoso no me de mano ebetum kakra wo de menu Jesus kan ye no meti esimi esemi
Jesus you
ni na so ye menu
on se ye hwe omo eton ade anajo anopa ni nyina na aka we no business strategy a business strategy nti ehwe o ma ono kire se anajo ni strategy ni kire se anajo o ton niema na obenya ni customers ana so obenya ska ope na emra no so kire se business bia wo ye no se utua ho eye entoboa that is tax nti yesre etiefo se eye anajo emi no wa ha ya bi digwa
indomie for ni ho
nti se anajo se wo kwa kudidwa na ye ba se tua tax na mesre enye atemdidie bo modia se obe comply de mra na de eka no na se o ka se untua na oni amanfo obe hamso a I think say emwa nti ye besre ye hwese Ghana ɛbɛfa ne ntama pa efra sɛ yɛhwɛ ya em sɛ for the past year nyinaa me ba ha ne yɛhwɛ sɛ asisie nyɛ but education ade ankasa sɛ wankyerɛ nipa no mu yie no ante ne ho ase a ɛkɔfa nsɛnsɛm bebree ɛde ba yɛnhwɛ sɛ yɛ start yɛ na municipality a ebru ha da ha for E-levy unsem ba yɛ start education kyekire ma sɛ dodo na ate wo mo ho ase
bebre no ante wo mo ho ase otimi fruit no wa no ro ka wafo abatiri
ate wo mo ho ase
obi anhye dante ase na bua ne yemu a yɛnkɔ na deɛ no so
nse yemia enti yemse yesre etifo nyina emse dwada etwa mu assembly members, heads of department any oma efata se ekọ general assembly meeting na no ehia mu o assembly hɔ no na nsɛm a ekobobo mu hɔ no no na yɛ nsɛm a na efa municipality ho anamo a municipality no mpanifo atuo sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a municipality betimi afa ne ntama paa de efra ɛho nsɛm ana mpanifo ɛkɔ asetra no ebobo mu ɛyɛ ɛwɔ hɔ ye maame MC kan bibi efa eye apomden aso eye covid ho ensem bra covid yi ni ti kwan a omamu ni nyina na mensin ye fa so ye se ye boye ho ban se ebe ya covid yare no entimi mu nkam emfa ye so ehihye ya
enti we dey opani wadaroma o mi ntwa wa no but ebre ni nti dia wo kekan enano a muhia ye no kan ya nti it was just a repetition of it enti foforo no abemu no eno na mepese mo be me akoso
eni ma MC e ba ne ye ka se obi antua ne taxes taxes ne ye ba mo se dodo na ye de enti mpuntudwuma hodo a yede sika ebi akwa assembly ho kakra ya bobo ano ampanifo de aye no yewura Jesus meje mu no wabobɔ so enyina na atiefo bia hu ne enema de eko
okay
yo minu amidase so obi wa bonti ana say obi wo ba bi tie ya obeka say na assembly Brim Central project be na ekoso yehu hwe okay ma me bobo project kakra we ye secondary city projects me via na makoja other projects. Construction of 34 lockable market shops. That's block A and waiting area at a conference. I don't know. You see a conference room, restaurant room, offices. I want Quantenum and 93% completed. And then now will be a question. And a construction of 34 lockable market shops. Block B, paving, U-Dream, and refuse container based on Quantenum market. And also 86% completed. And a construction of 34 lockable market shops. Block C, nursery, washroom, sick bay at Quantenum. Lot 3, that is 95% completed.
More achievements na oboboso no nti na botre me ba.
Okay.
Construction of no antiburu maami efia buru ni se me kan so wonte ase.
Okay. Ni nyina say ye see stores. Won Quantenum. Nti o kan nyina bo ma na ye 105 stores. 105 stores so you see wo Quantenum market
ohani num
ana me kire se stores no ebi wo ho ya contractor no aya adwuma no akodu 93% ake se akakra na kwa wie na me kire se ni nyina mu no mfa se project ni nyina no eye pavement ne stores na ye si wo ho ni nyina no akakakra na
ansa na o ma wie na o ma yi o nsafi ho
yes nti so bi enam ho a obehu se project no painting ebi kura painting ya painting dan be mienu wo ho abrasa mienu ho ana ya construction of 68 unit no kire se okọ Kumasi station so a ye si sa stores no ba ko 68 e wo ho
adie sian wotwe
e wo ho nti no 48% completed e wo Kumasi station
mugusu amusia
ohamu chiche mo aduana na CCM se omo
o madu nti no so ene dey so ongoing o muguso aho no so ye be excuse me ye be pavement blocks say dey be ye be see what say old market old lorry park or main station no say dey ya ho
ma hye form ho
yes eno so ye be hye sa two markets nyina sa na be ye no
okay
eno so ye be hye nti wa say pavement blocks ani sa stores ni nyina be ye ho so one funny one beautiful thing is abrosa na yesi no down no cars be park ho
Kumasi station
no
okay
ya ye ne sa de be ya cars bi be park wa ase
e be ye bibi ti se Kofodua station ho no
o kwa na cars bi park ase na abrosa na ye stores stop na ye stores na ye no
okay
nti ahono so no nti ye ba ye summary of other projects na so a construction of one story medical lab ukọ Odan government hospital obo hu say yesi abrosa fefefe bi ya complete go mu use kra eno 100% completed ana but mfa say ye were handing over and commission say you are handing over ma the user agency
it is eno no nchiremu ne say omo aye ho adwuma nyina awie agya mu di ama omo e wo so omo de ye adwuma no ena omo de ye adwuma ena ye wo de ye bia no say ya pa ho ntoma
eno na ye but at the moment there so we project by you see sasika we nyina some of the donor agencies no we project na omo ba na project we wi adenti na mu use is another query to you and it is better say be ma omo use
enti ye mo boso ntentem ye
brand ye ba construction of male juvenile cell at the police station oko number 9 bo hu say ye see cells foforo and there it has been also completed ya hand over ma police for mu use and also so sana and construction
me ba o mo si cell na mo si police station because cell no is
what do you call it station office and then cells
no cells near interior work you
yes say construct of male and female juvenile cells
sa brofo no yate ase but mpese wo chire mu
emphasize okọ police station number 9 wa first no ye wo ba bi a okọ emphasize a presence for
ye chire wo moto no
say ya si foforo ana ya chichem ya wo male female ana juvenile so ewo ho say dem person me kire
meba mo si dan foforo
ya si dan foforo
na cells ni nyina wom
ewom
ana ne wo ho no mako siesie
dabi ya si foforo kra
nti mo si police station ne dan foforo tiawa yanko yanim
okay nti ya ana construction of 24 seater water closet toilet facility with asenie honorable papa ya ne area ho and so yakọ a contractor na hand over so amaye we it has been completed too, but we are yet to hand over to the user electoral area or the assemblyman. And a rehabilitation of 2-bedroom unit teachers bungalow. I will get them.
Okay.
Na wo hoda da.
Maybe a teacher for that.
A teacher for that.
Mako siesi ho.
Yes, ho kama. Say ho yes. Construction of one foot bridge at Jesus and also completed and also
a training your first we himfa. Jesus. Okay.
And also
omo nyina etie mu
omo anu class omo fast omo use kra da. And a construction of one open market shed for relocation of traders are completed. I don't know yet. Oko Kumasi station obo hu say
satellite market
satellite market wo achi ya some open shed bi said be ya ometimi adigwa wo
ho de ma fa ho nso mi hu ne wo
kan
se me san kofa bi mu
wo ho pa okwa obehu
I don't be there edwane ho
I man I don't know I don't know they try Monday and Thursdays ya ko hade you open market ya shed ya
ti be san kofa akohwe
okay and construction of one open okay ya no and construction of food bridge at Mandarina okwa Mandarina ya
my twene
yes yes and some ongoing project your project bi a yenwie egusu eko continue a construction of food bridge at Owusu Memorial and End Time
enu guso koso
and the omunwie egusu and a construction of health center at Odan Kwanta there no so
Odan Kwanta munya botre
me say construction ongoing I just say yenwie
oh mate
me can say you because me say me can what questions be bring mama
mate
until that one is ongoing until
Odan Kwanta the Sencrophos yakoje pa
sawa
almost yakoje pa na pa we ye pa papa until ye beko so age
oh okay
na ya hwe Sencrophos e wo Odan Kwantenya health center until say ye pa ye dase pa we dey pa papa
yate
project no be we cry sa project
until aside this no there is some achievement bi so assembly in terms of agriculture ya ba agriculture so just this year agri department no I receive announce omanya seedlings 77,200 improved seedling oil palm seedling and omachama 402 farmers until
I don't know seedlings nefi
agri department ni assembly no we have a collaboration with mineral commission
and you say we nye from assembly
David omuna we had a
assembly the answer peti o ni amani sika for there
but it is our effort because the
me so me ba me nka se nye mo effort
okay
mo effort mo achievement say ni anye bi omde buy no nka betimi ya di enua na gu ha ma na se kwa but me ye pede mo gigi ye sika no mo de aye ansa na ye ya ba the central government de buy ya mo nso maye.
Do you know the up and down discussion on this seedlings? You ask yourself how I say how did they go out to negotiate with this? Baby, anytime you more call out to negotiate on this, they have to come for fuel from us. So we have to give fuel up and down, running. I don't know. I know so say scano you see a IGF Nibia. Anna, if you saw your when you come talk about assembly resources, you say the question you want to be specific. Say yeah, IGF na yeah wahano specifically, but I'm giving you a general overview of everything, all our money, not only the IGF per se. Until yaba education society construction of 6-unit block at St. Francis HSS and also yeah Omasi and construction of
ongoing and now we
St. Francis there no. Now be where all these are completed once.
And what's more CDN and what's St. Francis
6-unit and a classroom.
Omo kum
6-unit classroom and Atifa so at the same and
Atifa there was in her. Oh,
yeah, there's a block to why you get
the arts and home the other side of her. Oh, okay.
Hey, why are they? Oh, it's good say yeah also so call around to make sure say as my back cano you find out whether it's true or it's not true. I'm happy with that. And only your persons with disability in our municipality almost kebia every quarter bia as assembly common fund reason almost release. Now the total of 16 persons with disability, 5 males and 11 females were identified and registered in 2021. On say I can say new fufuro kra ya register mo ade beka number na ewo ho dada no na total of 52,487.50 Ghana cedis best as March 2021 through the farm management and the 32 people living with disabilities 32 people and say I don't know every farm ne ba obia want a request omo the request ne ba you can't say you reject it. But sometimes they have to vet it.
Be a day, he
needs some funds to start a business. A business or pay a fridge, say or person ton a day. So it comes in a different forms of
Now unim bedman.
Unimuno.
On to come or benefit or no nya.
I can't be specific because recently man who said or some distribution but I don't know me misana
bedman the only be a woman or no any put dikan of through.
Bedman, I'm sure that's the guy at our place.
Say old town.
But they say or your office anymore.
This was Bamo Hon or by Hon. Niamodi Yaman no na. Say benefit on sunya free assembly no hono.
Oh, that be said on there is just or yes you make and their honor station or there. But in terms of the benefit of the farm, I don't know it's a different thing altogether, not on this.
And I make us say indeed you are no benefit here no now we invest to baby no no ye shoemaking.
Yeah, that one is on one juma no yeah. It's not benefit from this one. Until on there omo ye see that na me say adia o pese o ye no you have to request and yeah. Until someone here say bia my request is to get maybe materials, logistics to support my business. What the banner I support?
Okay.
Yate. And another 3,622 was disbursed to Federation of Disabilities Organization. We say share disability or more ahodo. Until on 3,622.50 pesos and yeah disburse a comma almost so.
Okay.
Until a weird disability no na ya ba leap.
Until udi be see leap no enne. Na nyame adoma next week ya samba be to aso.
Okay. As a member information into aso.
Okay.
Akra
leap no.
Na Mr. Ajabo.
Aja.
You see there's one thing about the person you have worked little bit with assemblies. The perception that people have with assembly is different from you and I. assembly mu you don't know how it is akwade say studio who ayete ha yi obi wa abonten a he doesn't know how
ekoso
wa ha ubamu na hu say sa a different from what we hear or see outside sana assembly ntie if you are not in you don't know unless we are able to explain or educate say na ekoso sometimes say since you started program we last year no a lot of people now abua pa because obi timi share me also say the team program na say
okay
it's good nti ama even the authorities MC need paying for krano now the pressure on them will come down because adibia on there say first no know the America about officer
but ene de ukuwa da wo betie ha
thank you every Wednesday ukuwa bia I can dey ye ho nti abua pa
mayemo MC abaso
na yemo presiding member ono so na ginger the whole program
on the buy omo mo pese wi abebo assembly no enwuma diem
correct
ene wa pa omo nyina ho ntoma
na so presiding member dia
matise kikiki bia san page ne ho ho mo ma brɛ me to mo nkra mo nko kan kyerɛ wo mo sɛ ne ayi DC de ka kyerɛ ayi no nsɛm kyerɛ ni no mo ka jom sɛ kikiki no mo ma dwo brɛ o mra
okay ebia what so you smart but here the media maintain ho hwe
mo ma dwo brɛ mra ho no mo
okay
ansa na ya to jama ne mo
na obo ye frame say
ayi ono bo ye frame say or the saying Castro are there oye mo ma ne nto ade oye ne so
na so bia nka say the oye ne
pre-code we cause we want ye
okay.
Open if one.
By the way, I know you're different because I'm not a member of the assembly.
Open if one see yanko.
Obo, em say, yesre etiefo nyina, niema hodro mo say, assembly no, sika same ni niema, ye ura Jesus, bobo mu nyina na sebe, assembly members no, omu nyina na ekambo mu, omo ne omo presiding member and I say ye nyina presiding member na ebehie mu ewo assembly ho a omo
nyina age tu
same bia ehia e municipality bia na omo ba omo kyerɛkyerɛ omo adwen efa ho na omo hu epo a ye nsi wo ebia sa asem no de eso enti yesre atiefo nyina se ebia na bibi ekyere wadwen na wonte ase a wa assembly man ewo ho no mo bomodin akọ na kache na wo ha obia ewo ho bia wo de kache no de a asem no ebedu general assembly ho na ya bobo mu anu ye bia ewo ho anase hihye bia ebe ya afa ho aso bo issue no
yate
be no bibia kama
yeda se
da mu nyina so ase
yenso yeda se papa Jesus dear program Jesus me no be host
me ba o da ma me wie we na enko obo me hu mi ache so we dear ye ndi dear ma me fa nchiama nana nketia the first jedam benkumi hine yes to be installed
wa ma pro to be hono no
that be plot jedam kura me nim ho match but he has been very otie ahinka every day Tambia wa ni radio na ho na eda
ya dana si
nti chana no pa yi
okay waje so ma ya na si nyame yadoma next week ye besan aba kikiri na hompo ni mu assembly ho no muntie mo ma dwebre o mra ho mo ma dwebre o emra ho mpacho mo be ye mo adwuma meni mo awie mbetimi akọ eti mo ma dwebre o mra assembly ho no mo Honorable Castro ade onipa ya ade osa yeye wo anyi na ye nse ni din mo assembly na ewo ho no ene ura ho no mo a o ye assembly member kra na wo kọ assembly meeting hwe wani je eje wo kọ abeka sa wo kọ parliament onya kikiri no ye pempuntu amodom da so te ho no mo na sa ti kolo politics na da so mutum sa aren oh open yentwa Caitlin Amma ese o hwe yen live edi free jadam Already yakofo na wa asam na wodi mfie duba dwene ho no ya ka ne simple kra kire wo maza o ya assemblyman ene o kọ Bremu Central Municipal Assembly wa wuduru ho no kra you feel so proud or said the Honorable Castro there mama CC assembly ho no mo me kra da me no mo koye mo meeting me kotere mo you feel so good just o ma ye bibi ti say gallery a o ye nsam chiro nia mo nyina mo tete soro wo kama enya ofe we mo ye nko ye nim oh Odi munya botre me hye de nyam ho time pa mo amoye yes ade no. Caitlin na ma yeda se usi utie all the way from Jadem. Yeda se papa pa Nyankopon kan ho. Nyamen kan ho. Caitlin. Nyamen kan ho. All right, so some 40 minutes is exactly okay. Time you have say 38. I have say 40. I have also say 39. Enti ho ade na yanyini. Okay. Yeah, the TVET hour and so beto so the amount and san dwuma brɛ no. And common no so aso. Yeah, the beto so amount sisi ya. MP3 TV yeah ba.
Fellow citizens, I ask you to be citizens. Citizens, not spectators. Citizens, not subjects. Responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
Okay, so until the work is done, yenwie nyame adom a mepacho producer kai me ochena yebedi assembly ho nkomo ana yemfa Friday ye tugumu a Saturday ni anu mu nyina kwayie na Sunday ye hia wo kotoku ene susubiribi nti ye de ko Friday mum Friday ye be ye hu fi wa ha sa kikiri na mama so assembly ho no mamfa nko fom mo already kwa mo hu ahi no mo hu ahi sei assembly members ye ne mo won potem wa se ne mu bebre hu ye ahi no mo nwene mo ho also mpafenam okọ uhiri atreja se nyame yadoma next year mo beba assembly members wo brem central ha no mema bebre alusu adwuma be yatia mo no bebre no amo number selfish interest mo ese ni assembly ya wie te se amo akoni adu a mo be hwa ye hu adwuma no mo nhwe ena individual selfish parochial interest na mo pushi enkrofo bi nsu ne namu a yes omo de nam secondary schools no omo akwa asene ena no na omo ne nam ha ena mo auction cars no so mo auction a yeni ba bi amode ko yebenya mo ho bre Friday ene agi se Yesu ama ye ne mo Friday assembly ho ene omo ane namu a mo auction cars no se mo ye auctioneer se o se den openi ni hwehwe me Kwame Owusu ye tai friend Kwame Ahofe apoma ko de
obode daloma amonzo
nyame adom ye nso ye ho ye papa Kwame Ahofe adan ho ofe dodo ho ena wa wo ma wa wo ho fans sa no ho ofe dodo
obode me ho de afa
enti Kwame Ahofe ni fire he
school time
no
na mnya nickname no
adan na wo dressing pa na say
oh yeah say as like Nyankopon do bo bia okwan afa so ma obinya ne din
enti wo de na okwan be na afa so onya e
na school time say dressing na gebi e de to me Kwame Ahofe na ka me so
enti gebi na di wo din ni ma wo
yeah
ena eye wo de
enti e ma na different Kwame Ahofe na abeka
a man and a fro Kwame Ahofe
and Abeka
just an out dressing
yeah
I see enti uwie school year ben
oh man school year man me do from to na me jai
I didn't hear
na anya my
metal calling
yeah
na e den na you calling
oh me na madwuma is spring work and na me de bo me brain and na adwuma na ma adwuma pa
eno na ne wo wutirim
yeah
intina what dress share school uniform akwama mai kra fra Kwame Ahofe but na honhom ne ntai akiri
dabi honhom de ntai akiri
inti udru form to JHS asem ne yekan
yeah
udru form 2 na so mo fa aban fa na de
sanity
e na wo so o yes e kusia adwuma no
sabepe
okay inti Kwame Owusu ni wudin e na wo se Kwame Ahofe ufiri henfa
achemadu biase
eno no wey
Oko amantia ho no achemansa odu otwereso a achemadu biase
amantia area ho no
da bi na nu twereso odi twereso ofi twereso akro na to aso no
miminim ho
na so okokuma ase
but okokuma ase dia mafa sa kwan ne so
onse amantia na yi o ɔfo ase lie ba me de no du abenase a
obe branch
okay na anyina ase na ye kan se chirime nkronkro bi to aso ha se makọ
enti ehwa na wotena ye ehwa na wunyi ye
okay ehwa no aya ehwa na metran but man tran wanche me ko school na du ba bi na me se nyam no ana mbe sure da
nje se o life no de more na wa live odan ha
yeah
na odan no ba na wo busuani bi wa ha
David me busuani bi ani ya
na aden na etimi ba wutirim se kura mehwe ni ho menkọ ho so
se ablabo nyankopon ka se unchira wa ha na me na be lidu no doko sanati ablabo
okay enti ufi ho no mu yi ebe na oba wodan
okay me bodan 2008 ana me bodan
say ye ka campings wodan yentimi nyi wo free mo 2008 die
odan de me popular wodan pa
enti si ya woti he ya wo ka kwa me ahofe obi anim se kwa me no
obi anim
ena omo sha no mo frefre no enti no mo si ja akasa ne no mo nkasa na se den
nyasa nyasa so obi wa watemenka enti ofre me na
ambo ehu se wotie o I see sania ye bo amane ansa ne de wo ba no ye pese ye ma amanfo hu se enye school nko ane ma nipa diye ensa no dwuma nso timi ma nipa diye enti wo udru JHS hu se no school ni nya wo calling wo de ye ensa no dwuma ena wo ba wo dan hwan no tu fo sebra na before wo be ba no a wo take your decision say me de school ni de mentimi ntwa so biem no wo ne wo maame wo papa munya problem kakra
oh yeah me nem papa and Trump place abet me maame ba me maame de no force me say me nko school
na o se ne botai ne say
o se me nko school na me crash man na kwa bi
o tie won
I don't know me things so tie dia okay it's na ne botai ne say me nko school no force ntimi je school na ne nye ho ana me se madwuma me so spring work ntimi ka sa adwuma no no fa ne ti mame
na no onu ni ma de kodi mpo de
no on should then bet me chere na ni so kakra say eyan o ma mu spray cars no ba adwuma de na e adwuma like me make us board de Nyankopon me so ho da he na
eno wana na wo ye
na me adwuma no me ni padom aba me tise ni pe gu me so me adwuma ma mo ni paketua ntina e adwuma o makoma so pa o ba de adaro man so me besuan so me pom ho a me nyamba bia ma me shopa bia me djuma djuma koso
we are ba ne nyame yadom next week e be mo asan ba and I like the way our dress dia ba no I was thinking say one hwe ya na because of so when I just or ba hanti no or be ko pe atade afufuru bia I just like the way our dress dia ba no nyame yadom next week e be mo asan ba
okay
na ya toa so ene ye nwie but ye be bisa kakra why ne two for one or two hofo ese there be mami ntwa so mami mra because me hu o me dayem ana oni obi dwen ho no ka say okay say ne wahunu ne edi a kokotoa so kokoye
to me do bia ntumi fo no credit ba ko bia ntumi fo but na me mani na school angasa nya me yi angasa me pe na school nya dia mani jin ma brabo
nti no hu senkrofo kra de how
the school dia na me bia me ko school kra me dwane ba fie internet school de mani nyum but adwumasuan de na mani jun sa me besuan me yare sa den kra na sa et sa den kra me fa so de abadwuma nti no nkofo pemasem me nya ni ha wadwuma ye ho
okay nti eno kra boa wo ma wo hunu ne ntem
yes
okay nti sisi a aba wutirim se school de emwa wo nti wo se wo free adubiase na oba achimodan na achimodan na wo ba no na hye wutirim se hwan ho na wo ba na hwan no do be share adwuma nim
okay one na madam fugu ha ba ese mpono mpo akodi akra
okay
nti ona not ya ana me ka chance challenge pese mbesu adwuma bi sei ona so wo nim obi ana me ma ne pe dan ma nti me ma me hu se ma ni nyi school no biem no oba rent dan ma me e wo tan nti se fini ampu na chame be den on fro chame be den
mo amo frefre kwa me ahofere munya botre ana anya wo ho no a
me wa
omunya botre wuwia nti ayi ko na ko gini phone no ma no nkofo frefre ni sa o mate kwa me nka na o mate kwa me nka on radio so
nti
yentwa so
maame aka kyerɛ no so obetumi nya baabi anti like ɔpɛ dan ma me wo town ɛwɔ chamber dan if you right friend of anim
afi ɔte aseɛ ɛna ɔno abɛpɛ dan ma wo
okay no bɛpɛ dan ma me na me bɛtrem na me desua me dwuma nti me ami wie tama me wadwuma mi na me nya sika me de kakra sie sa nti me aka bɛ 1 year na ma pon me ho no na me started say me pepe bia before me pon me pepe na say me nya bia me shop asi ti me de mani ni na mu nyina me kwadwuma me benya de mani na nti me nya bia bi pe na me kɔbɔ me shop si nti that time me pon me ho pepe na say me shop no
so ready call shop ni mu nti ɛno kra de ye bɛba ɛhɔ no nyame adoma next week me pɛ me hu sɛ oye se obesua adwuma no one unya support wo ma me ho ahyase no wonte ase but u chiri mu kyerɛ ne ma ne bete ase to even extent say waba be rent dan ama wo hwan na fi wade ukɔ wura adwuma ni mu ono a ti ya hu sika ye bibia na ɔde ukɔ wura mu unua no moyɛ sɛn
yetere
ɔmo aka wɔ he wo na ɔyɛ ketwa pani ana
ematu me nkwa me ne be ma na ketwa no so aye hairdressing wa on so be in the shop
okay
our Methodist conference
oh na auto so second
na me second
oh okay o da man in tem okay enti sisi ya kwa me se school de onko opesu osua nsa no dwuma spraying so ne nyame abie so a kyere no ne daye mu waka kyere ne maame ahyase ne maame nti ase afei ne maame abeti ase ordinary babisua obaye na abeto apprentice 10 say na feeling it here
oh dear me home like na yom na ma dwin yom so sa no credit adwuma de okoma yen hwe majority akwa se o yes antroni na wakɔto nipa dom enyom na check bet we mi na de koe no na be follow sana na me de na koe nti me na me master se pin kwa na obeye ho adwuma me bisa no question ho nti e ma me beti adwuma na sententem yeah
nti obeji edi se because of say who wo da yim na who say we ni madwuma no and nti na say wo de passion bi ni anije bi wura mu ana oye no
yeah
omo da so wo ho ana o ma wiewie kɔ
omo nyina de me betimi aka say me ni nipa tani na ebia mpon mo ho yeah nti mfa nsa me nsa na epon ye ho but omo nyina me nko na metimi abie me shop am de adwuma
I see adwuma na edin nti na o ma ntumi ampon mo ho no ana say enti sa na pon ana no muntimi mpon mo ho
adwuma de adin but omo no unse scantem wo mani so unse obu a kwadwuma osua adwuma na nti se bi o hwe se ene opon adwuma master man chop money a o kyena wo ma sa na no life na koye ba me na mente sa o de mami o amfa mami o meba madwuma
adwuma sua in general edin
edin
adwuma sua edin won
edin pa
nti o ba da chen o ba wo betu ni fo se opese osua adwuma wo nsua
yeah sa me baka so nko school me bisa na adwuma na dana koma so
okay baby a nyankopon de wa beduru sisi yi wo na wo ye wadwuma na wo obi na ye adwuma
me na me ye madwuma
wo na wo ye wadwuma nti eno na de oh god ahofe spring shop no
yeah
god ahofe
oh god ahofe
kwame who you too much nti say din wo na wo de to so
yeah
oh god ahofe
mete wa ne be sim tunam se edime me de yam somebody be
be kama
na me no oh god na me de so ahofe nickname no
and you say a mom
yeah
oh god net ne ho
yeah
na ahofe oh god
ahofe
spraying shop
yeah
and o de to time na wo ko school no ene ene ya sisi ya no uhu say u live within a dream ne na wani suade hunu say dem person ye ni no uhu say you are living within say any suade hunu no
oh yeah and they no cre and them me die sum de senior me sum da ya fama brabo sa pepe just me hunu susu a hunu ketekete bet oba ho na be hwe mpanifo a
ehun susu no kra de o kan say nka me kan mo kan firi achi ka me di achi kra
but o be hwe me ketekete say on say so bit me ba say me master ho fe like obedru ha
obepie na master ho fe nie o si da bi me se me hwehwe master ho fe
sabebe o si Matthew din bet mze nipa brane kase bi na mse me ketekete ya
nyame hyira we sa
sanete
okay enti enkomo ne de besi ha ene nyame adoma next week ye be mo asan ba ne atoa so na ye wia ya ma okwan na watu enkrofofo enkrofo be bre eko school akosiesu aborofo ama ene omuni adwuma ye ye no mbe kasa se na be ya nea opese osan bi suansa no dwuma no wa back mejiri se uko school dru hin kra na pese suansa no dwuma betimi ana
oh yeah
na ye ne saafo ni nyina akasa enti sisi ya me ma wo kwan na ebia wo obi a obepese wo be chia no a watumi achia no na fe ye de asi nyame adom next week be mo asan ba
me chia me bra ajingo oye police ni oye madam for number da me na nanti ajingo MTTDO
ti say we a big man
yeah
wo nkrofo wo wase
micro apprentice
ukra saying
micro 2 ba ko ya stubborn ti masake
but this bisa wanga sa weni swash ana
oh yeah the menu so dey she menu so she
na weni swash na ka wahia wonwi a sanka wasanka wo training no na o se wuntimi ne ntina
nsa ha no me na djuma no santesa o te sa masake
enye ne yede nko a
David
I see
on se nsa no djuma de se akwala besu djuma na nsa ha na o de nim gu ase na bro
djuma ebia na obi abija ne car
sa once obi tim de car ba no ska wom se uhu anya odia e so se bia o pese wi kra na baby sa master okay yen se oba ne de ma no ba ofa hu wi na nipa ne ba na obi sa na me hu ama na de me master na ma je nim gu ase because me na ho ya me shop nti me hu se me sa ke na kofi me nje obi
nti dia waka ne dia o serious
oh yeah on don just
okay ma ye nase na omo na e frefo no nchia wo mo
o me chia madofo na me kasa me bom ndi de bebre
okay
no tie me bia na ko nshwa no
me pese ka wo body o frɛ wo no wa fra me pese ka wo body din o ye hwan
madam fu ye frɛ na efu
na efu frɛ wo a o pese wo body din o pese
na masasi ra ma me oton be nkwa mu tan
o mu nyina ate wo nka nti na mo frɛ wo no next week wo ba hye da bo mu nyina ayi amane se o ba ha omo betie
me chia odan taxi drivers na
omo je wo so
me na so ma do phone me customers
eni se na oti wo tena ka mu free
o card ya me adaro ma yam foka enti akasa
wo tena ka mu free ayi kobiki mu na ebre on okay kwame ma ye na se enti o shop na we himfa
me wo PlayStation kwa so onya all right one salvation so no baby mission so no
why you me because order police stations no do so
MTTD
ahaye
yeah okay police phone kwanya do na kasa o hwa ho fa ho do bia bebom din bia o do beba madwuma
okay
nya yira ba
yate yada si nyame yadoma next week ye bese na hia all right inti ye ne kwame owusu ye tie friend no kwame ahofe oh god ahofe spraying shop and ono ankasa na ye CEO managing director openia woda ano ena yene no ebo enkomo no eye TVET hour ye pese ye mamamfo hunu se sa wusua nsa no dwuma a ne no nche se wunye nipa nso ye nipa ene metimi aka kire open se ensa no dwumafo no kora wo sika kyen a ye betena ha ka brofo tie enti nsa no dwuma de ya de papa na ye pese ye ma omo feel so proud anything ya offer omo this biggest platform so omo mra na omo share omo experience with us omo story with us na encourage afofra omo te wono mo a offer amoame sister amoame so amoame no ye pese yi sa asem ni nyina afiri ho na wutumi ye bibi de ma wo ho awrade nkan ye ho ye de asia no eti Yakopon yadom a next week ye besan ate Kwame Ahofe nkan e wo fie ha enti se upese onso so ye ma wo sa akwanya no a ye numbers na ye de tu dwa no afre wo fre ko bk a se Kobi K post ba aba no Ono do mo ba na ni post ba aba no nya se ketua o so na mkurum sa na o se unya henkan abeba on me ofre me oboba ofori amanfo the commander general Kotoku mayor mabewie madwuma ye be sorry so nyame yadmo ochine be se na hia mpacho dia ekoyi no aboyaba so dia ankoyi no atwe adwen asi so tiase enipa na efom enipa na ediche Eradi asumdie nkan yen nin kusi buadum be matwa so
anapa no ndu abo pepe de shimama me mamachi emama kwa babiem de ba henkan 93.3 FM so eyen sema do bia beti ewo ye wi apem to bre akan kase mu na impo yen anwumre no nsia akan kase mu medin edikwaku anin kusi buadum adishima manie oyen pond mama fo wonjaw ade adesede ene ohaw bia ba beto abontente se empri wanyinsen ha ne papa ewo ne mpotem wo waka ne pen achomanfo Green Ghana Day enam so ama bankrate pani ni nananom a won finfima ntemu bi ede ato ensemtwofo nim se yembo ye homodem pa ne enane te se watchdogs ne ehwe emanua no enye fe aso ye wonum hwe enwumasuan so de abetu ja se no guarantor student loan bosia sukuu ni bia betumi abakwaje onko hia so bi metintim ma no bi nkoye sei de hia no Ghana card no ahwehwe omasuan so de abetu ja se training colleges no wo nka ho obetua privilege committee atonkra ama orumnyamfo adwasafo se wo mo mane na from akumakudunan ewo so ba na obechia aginetuku no na sembie wono no wo mo eka apos from yenu bi ya pagya wo mu di bremu esanse wo machi wo mo nyonko post ni ana odi wi eko baabi Clement Apak agacho orumnyamfo Ken Oforiata se sempempi oba Ghana mna shebgifie neso be cheche nsemu a ebia de fa aban hyehye ho ana aban akoma bosika sema eyo onchiremu ye na ye njimu na nkoye ma omo ebe wiase na afi osimanka wi mikawe na omonimo atwa onumnyafo Ahmed akacha aban se de oye nye fa ekwan a ode aban kra chimpenfo ne assembly district assemblies ne municipal assemblies enam so no osi anya kra ntaban ne hwe na tutwa basabasa ye ekosofa sa wo musuma sika semne wo muhyehyɛ ho no wo muhwɛ ensia no kwa orumyafo Ahmed akase tia sa ade no wei ene awofo bi na obeti ewo yanwumre no nsia kan kase mu ena empo yen awia premtobre akan kase mu ye de beba ebesomo medin adikwaku anin kusi buadumeko na the mid morning super duper competent